This is one of the easiest ways to make money online thanks to this site here we've never talked about before that will allow you to make money on complete autopilot. And since I will show you multiple bonuses near the end of the video, make sure you keep watching so you don't miss any of them. Now just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have a really good strategy to make some good money online passively for you. And the very first site you want to go to and the site that will be paying us today is this one here called Zotrim.com. Now what this site is, you can see immediately when you come on their homepage, they're selling products for weight loss. Now with that said, you can read more on this page, see some details on what they're selling. But obviously since we aren't here to lose weight, but rather make money, the details are basically irrelevant. All you need to know is that this website sells products for losing weight. Now the way we will make money on here is through promoting the same products, so we will want to promote them as affiliates indeed. But as you will soon find out, this site has some awesome features regarding their affiliate program that make them absolutely perfect for making money as affiliates. With that said, to access their affiliate program, you can either type in this link zotrim.com/affiliate-program, or you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on affiliate program right here. And by the way, right here you can see it says fast and reliable worldwide shipping. Now this is very important information, because I know many of you aren't from North America or Europe. So this shows that this is a worldwide available platform. And while it isn't 100% guaranteed, chances are it will work in your country. With that said though, let me now go over some of the features of Zotrim's affiliate program, because I did say before it is perfect for affiliates. Now as far as how much money you'll be making, as you can see here, it's up to $40 per sale. Now they do have different products, so some pay more, some less. But it's safe to say you will earn around $30 most of the time per sale, which is a lot if you think about it. 100 people making purchases would be $3,000 made, and can go up to $4,000 as well. So this does have a lot of potential for you to get paid. But wait, we're only getting to the best part about this site's affiliate program. If you scroll down here, you will be able to see the average sales price of a product, which as you can see is $60. And to the right of that, the conversion rate. Now for those of you who don't know, a conversion rate is the percentage of people that access a sale page of a product and buy it. So if 300 people visited a sales page and 50 of them made a purchase, the conversion rate would be 15%. Now check out the conversion rate here, it's 22%. That may not seem like a lot, but it's actually insanely high. As you can see, the average conversion rate of a product is a mere 2%. While the conversion rate for Zotrim's product is literally 10 times higher. This means guys that you don't need to refer that many people on here to make loads of money, just do some quick math. If you refer just 100 people here, on average, you would get 20 sales since the conversion rate, as I said, is 20%. That in total means you can make up to $800. So if you refer 200 people on average, you would make $16. 300 people referred is over $2,000 already. And I will show you traffic sources where you'll be reaching hundreds of thousands of people, not just dozens of them, so you'll be able to make a lot of money online. And so make sure you stick around to know exactly what they are. With all of that said, to sign up to Zotrim's affiliate program, you want to click right here. This will now take you over to a different website, and it's here where you will actually sign up. All you got to do from here is click on I'm an affiliate, and from there you'll see that to join you just need to enter in your first and last name's email address, your password, and that's it, so they don't ask too much info in order to be able to join their program. When you enter in all of that data, simply click on join here to finish the process and grab that affiliate link. Now with all of that done, Let me show you where to get traffic. The first traffic source I'd recommend is a site called findaforum.net, as the name suggests. Here, you can find a bunch of different forums related to just about anything. And since we want to promote a weight loss product, you want to click on categories here, and then select dieting and weight loss. You will now be able to see all these different forums, and all of them have literally hundreds of thousands of members. And each and every one of those people are interested in weight loss, meaning they will be interested in Zotrim here. And what you can do is tell them stuff like this is the best way to lose weight. This helped me lose weight, and so on and so forth. You can also read more about Zotrim's weight loss products on their homepage, and just talk about them on these forums, and then leave your affiliate link there. And since these forums have so many members, it's guaranteed that someone will check out the product in question. And when they do, there's a very high chance they will purchase it, thanks to that high conversion rate, and earn you $40 per single sale. Now, as I said, that's only the first traffic source. The second one you can use, guys, is called Quora.com. For those of you who don't know, this is a site where people can come and ask a question, and they will then get answers from members of the site. And the main reason we want to use Quora is simple, because it's popular, and it ranks well on Google. So when someone searches on Google for how to lose weight, there's a high chance Quora will be one of the first sites to pop up. Now what you will want to do on Quora is search for how to lose weight like myself, and you will now come across a bunch of these questions which you will want to answer. You can perhaps go on Google and see some of the best ways to lose weight, and write that in the answer. And what you can then do is say something in between the lines like, "This product helps me lose weight, and I would highly recommend it." And then you want to leave your affiliate link next to that. In this fashion, you will want to answer all of these questions. And by the way, guys, make sure that every answer to the question is different. So don't spam the same one or you'll get banned. Now with that said, once you answer like a couple dozen of these questions, you will start getting clicks to your link. And since Quora is so popular, and your answers stay there forever, you won't need to do anything from there basically, and you'll be making money passively. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.